Hello, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be doing tissues, and we're going to be learning about different types of tissues. So let's go ahead and look at them. This one is blood. And then this one is, it kind of looks like trees. That's how my professor told us. It looks like the ends of trees. And it's going to be bone. Those are both pretty easy. This one is going to be dense, regular connective tissue. Whenever you first look at these, they kind of all look the same. And then this one is going to be elastic cartilage. This one is going to be fibrocartilage. This one's another easy one. It's going to be nervous tissue. Can we guess what this one is? It's another nervous tissue. This one is going to be adipose tissue. Adipose is fat, so if you see a bunch of things that look like fat cells, then that is going to be adipose. This is another easy one. This is also adipose, just in a different kind of picture. This one is going to be cardiac muscle. This one looks pretty similar to the other one that we just looked at. Looks pretty similar to the dense regular connective tissue, but just remember, they aren't the same. This one you can see the actual individual nucleuses. The other one you cannot. This one's also adipose. This is going to be keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. This is going to be cardiac muscle again. See, just like that other picture, you can see the individual nucleuses. This one is going to be skeletal muscle. This is just a really close up of the bone tissue, guys. This is really close up. You can see each individual little osteocyte. It's going to be smooth muscle. This one and cardiac muscle look very similar. This one's going to be ciliated pseudostratified squamous epithelium. I know it's a mouthful, but just gotta learn how to spell it. And this one's going to be nervous tissue. It's a little bit different looking than the other ones, but you can kind of tell. It's going to be dense regular connective tissue. Another ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Sorry. This is going to be cuboidal. Whenever you see a bunch of little nucleuses in a circle like this, it's always going to be cuboidal. This one is also blood. It's blood tissue. This one's also going to be simple cuboidal epithelium. Another blood. Okay, this is dense irregular connective tissue. Sorry. Dense irregular connective tissue. Okay, and then this one's going to be hyaline cartilage. Kind of looks like adipose because of the cells, but hyaline cartilage is always going to have like these two cells connected. You see another hyaline cartilage? See how it has those two cells connected? Two cells. And then this is another simple cuboidal. Another pseudostratified or ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Adipose. Okay, this one is going to be simple squamous epithelium. Another pseudostratified or ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. It's a mouthful, I know. But you can see it's ciliated because you can see the little hairs. It's pseudostratified because you can see multiple nucleuses. It doesn't mean that it has multiple nucleuses. It's because the way that it's cut into. It looks like it's layered, but it is not. That's why it's pseudo-stratified. Okay, this is going to be keratinized stratified epithelium, squamous epithelium, keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. It's another simple squamous epithelium, a dense irregular connective tissue. And then this is going to be a ciliated simple columnar because you can see that all of the nucleuses are at the bottom. It's not looking like it's multiple layers, so it's simple. Another one, but it's non-ciliated. You see that this one has those long hair-like, and this one does not have any hair, like figures on the ends. Okay, this is areolar. It kind of looks like a bunch of spider webs, in my opinion. That's how I know it. It's areolar connective tissue. Okay, and then this is going to be ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. This one is going to be the hardest just because it's so long. So you're going to have to remember all of those and how to spell it. Okay, this is non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium. Okay, and then this one is going to be skeletal muscle. Like I said, this one looks a lot like the cardiac muscle and the smooth muscle. This is transitional epithelium. It always is going to be on the end, it looks like. And then this is hyaline cartilage because you can see those two cells joined together. Okay, and this is the star-like cell, so we know that that is nervous tissue. And this is unkeratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Another star-like cell. It's going to be nervous tissue. And then the spider webs looking. Areolar connective tissue. Another nervous tissue. Okay, and then a fibrocartilage. This one's always like a really bright pink. There's really no other easy way to explain this one. It's kind of just all that dark pink color. And then this one is going to be dense regular connective tissue. Another areolar connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. Okay, and then this is going to be elastic cartilage. It kind of looks stretchy. And then the dense regular connective tissue. Another hyaline cartilage because you can see that it's two together. Okay, like I said before, if you see a circle of cells like this, it's going to be cuboidal, simple cuboidal epithelium. And then this is going to be blood because it's just a bunch of circles. That one's pretty easy. Another adipose. Okay, this is going to be keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, and this one's going to be smooth muscle. Another smooth muscle just zoomed in. A cardiac muscle. See how those are kind of similar? The smooth muscle has longer nucleuses. Okay, and then this is going to be dense, irregular connective tissue. And then that's all I have for y'all. Okay, thank you. Please watch again.